Guys, today we are out at St. Thomas Raceway here in Ontario, Canada, finally shaking down our Challenger Hellcat build after 2 long years. So we're not expecting the world today, but hopefully we get some PBs and let's see what happens.
Jared has proven to be the fastest car of the day.
Forgot to turn the camera on. That was the first pass with the new build. I have no idea what it did or what happened, so we'll find out shortly here. It was definitely cutting in and out of the throttle. I don't know why I didn't lift. That was stupid on my part. But we'll get the slip and see what's going on. A little rusty. It's been 2 years to the day since this thing's been down the track.
Okay, first shakedown pass in 2 years.
Yeah.
How'd it go?
That was, I feel like that was still like a mid-10.
Mid-10?
At least.
1760.
That's terrible.
6.6 in the 8th.
That's, okay, that's close to when I went 940.
10.0. Out the back. From my perspective, it was a pedal fest or in and out of traction control the entire time.
I don't know if I was doing that or cutting in and out. I should have lifted. I don't know why. I'm an idiot, but I'll send the log to Z. He'll call me an idiot for staying in it, but we got data. We got data. It's a beautiful day. There's absolutely nobody here racing today.
So the lanes are going to be open all day.
10:09, no mile an hour. I got robbed all that.
You got robbed on the mile an hour. Yeah, it was breaking up hard. So
yeah.
Just quickly on the knock retard at all in the log.
Let's take a look at what it was doing. No retard.
Okay, that's good. Look at the throttle voltage. It was in the traction control.
Is that what it was?
Yeah.
Pedal cruise, ESP, pedal cruise, injector pulse width.
You run out of fuel? Fine fuel pressure. Desired and actual. Oh yeah. You're out of fuel. Okay, let's put some pump in it.
Yeah. Shit!
Hell yeah.
So it's better with fuel pressure.
It's amazing what fuel pressure can do for you, huh?
Yeah.
So it still looked like it didn't leave too strong. Did it spin?
Spun.
Spun hard?
No way, what do you run?
9.5.
Hey.
This car hasn't been.
I was gonna say, we're just getting the hood T-move, but I seen the 1320 there. I was like, holy fuck.
This car hasn't seen the track in 2 years, so.
That's awesome, man.
And it's got a lot more in it. That 60 foot's dog shit.
What's a 60 foot?
161. Yeah, that's been like 140.
Yeah, it's got 130s in it,
yeah.
right? So,
That's awesome.
all right, let's go cool it down and try again.
It looks like a 9 in my video, but the screen's really small.
Yeah.
And then Robbie told me.
I'll take that all
Second shakedown pass, 950s, 150 plus. You should have pulled the
151.
You should have pulled. You should have pulled the laundry.
The brakes after.
Yeah, you should have pulled the laundry.
If it feels like that again, the chute's getting tossed. But
yeah, we got to work on the leave. It didn't leave strong.
my fault. I foot braked it. Probably built up a little too hard, but then I'm so out of practice.
You flat-footed instead of leaning into it. Yeah,
rolling.
you could see it looked like it picked the tire,
And
it just set it down hard.
Yeah.
That's good though. Hell yeah.
Oh yeah, I'll take it all day.
What's your best mile an hour?
148.
So 3 mile an hour better already.
Told it on the way here.
Yeah.
If I didn't set a new PB for ET, it definitely would for mile an hour.
And we still got lots of track left.
Yeah.
The day is young, so let's pop
I'll
that hood.
Take some pressure down.
Take some heat out. Put a little pressure out of the tires, and
Let's see how close we can get to an 890.
send it to Z. See what he says. He might have improvements there too, right?
Yeah. We just knocked half a second off of the first run. And
Yeah.
this tune that I put in it is boost limited. This is these boost limited E53s.
So this is a 19 pounds of boost, not 24.
Not 22, 23,
Yeah.
yeah. So I'm gonna send him that. I know he can put timing in it.
You can probably put boost in it too,
Yeah.
right? Get rid of
If
the
he likes the log.
Yeah. So what was the E content?
61.
61.
This is
So
where
it's
we want to be.
it's right where you want to be
Yeah.
for the fuel pump that we got right now.
Yeah. That thing left hard.
Pulling the chute?
So it left. Well, pulling the chute, I didn't even feel it. To be
No?
honest, it was fine.
That's good. That's
Yeah.
good.
It took a little bit to get out.
It took a while to balloon, so it's gonna have to be pulled at like the third
Yeah.
pull.
I had to like scramble to find the handle because I haven't found
Well,
it
yeah,
yet,
there's
so
no muscle memory
I
there.
hit it late, but it's still. But like, so the way the car unloaded after it came out, like it left a lot harder. That was a 159.60,
Yeah.
which is still not great, but it's the best we've had all day. But as soon as the power ramped in,
It just unloaded the
kicked
yeah.
the tires and then gripped.
I noticed you drove through it.
I did drive through
You
it.
drove through
'cause
it.
I'm a G.
Yeah, it was. She stepped a bit.
Do what you do. But that's 152 miles an hour. And it went 960. I thought it was going to be like another 10-0 because of the way it unloaded, how bad it felt.
Freight trained out the back. So.
Yeah, I was gaining on that Fox body. Like, I got it with this stripe.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That was... Okay. Well,
Improvements.
go down,
More
go
mile an
down,
hour.
Send the log over, see what he has to say. You couldn't really go any better for...
A shakedown day, right? This is just a nothing day on a track that was prepped 4 hours ago and
Yeah.
hasn't had any prep since. Where, you know, Pirelli Scorpions are going down the track pulling up the surface.
Yeah, there's a lot of...
I don't want to call it no prep.
But it's almost there.
It's almost there.
Bring your cameras.
Okay, so we've got some more goodness from Z here. You remember on the last one, he said he would send me a tune to smooth out, take some power out of the leaf and wrap it back in. So that worked, but the track is still not fantastic. ramped the power back in too quickly. The car actually spun about 100, what would you say, about 100, 150 feet out?
No, yeah. I mean, the
Not even more.
video will tell all.
Yeah.
You drove that car.
When it ramped the power back in. So, this one, he said that he smoothed out the ramp, taking some power out in a couple spots. So we'll do this and we'll go back up, make another hit, see if we can improve.
3 hours left.
Lots of time.
Lots of time.
You know what the worst thing about Windows 11 is? Did you notice it opens pop-ups behind stuff?
Yeah, it's kind of crazy. And then you're like, why can't I turn my car off?
Yeah.
And
then you find out that there's a window that popped up behind the window.
Mine was doing that pretty aggressively during Dragway Rush, and it was annoying the ever-living hell out of me.
So I wonder, so they haven't said 100%. I'm under the impression the launch profile is a new connector for when you're using the trans brake only. But
Yeah, probably. I mean, the problem is Z's tuning off of where it's been.
Yeah, so that's the thing. I don't.
You're stuck leaving it there, right? And then once we get a new ADCM in this car, start all over again.
Yeah. See, it's hooking now. For
Yeah,
some reason.
so weird.
Actually, put power, put down low.
Why didn't you see that DTC of implausible software level in the ADCM
Yeah.
and the VIN number that didn't match?
All right, we've got the latest revision in. Gonna go make another hit. Looking to improve on that 951. Really looking for a personal best here.
Okay, initial thoughts, how'd it leave?
It left good. It still spun a little at the leave. It unloaded again, I want to say 200 feet out, but it caught pretty quick. And then it just felt like a freight train.
Strong out the back. I don't think the track's holding the power.
No. 970 at 152, yeah.
152
So,
again, 17160. Yeah.
That sucks.
So that's one of two things. You look at the log, right? So you'll just look at wheel speed. So it either got off the tire or Z took too much out of it on the leave. Right? If you didn't have to drive the car, it's probably just too much off the leave.
I think, yeah, I'm gonna look and see if it spun. I feel like it spun a little bit. So the other thing I can do is quite simply not flat foot it right off the thing, right? Because right now I'm like, okay, if he's setting it up that way,
Yeah.
I want to see where the tune's at, so I can just feed it power too.
Yeah, it's all in the 60 foot at this point. The car's making a ton of power. It's going 152 out the back.
Yeah. That's strong.
That's very
So
strong.
that's 152 on the number, 970, 152, 19. Yeah, and like I said, it's unloading like a couple hundred feet out and spinning the tire. So we got 2-year-old, 3-year, actually those are 3 years old.
Yeah,
right?
3-year-old ET Street R's that have a bunch of passes on
And
them.
a bunch of street miles on them.
What's the air pressure? 15 now?
I took it down to 60. So I'll drop another.
Your 942 was on
13.
big swing,
Yeah.
right? Big swing.
Yeah.
We got 2 passes left for the day, so swing big. If it spins or does something funny, you just get out of it.
Yeah. I'll send this over to Z. See what he thinks. Adjust some tire pressures. Pack a chute again.
I almost had you. That's good.
That was good.
That's good. I cut a fucking light on you, buddy.
Yeah, you did.
I had to.
Big time, 310s. What's it for? 961, 151.
It's doing the same thing.
Yeah.
It needs a front half.
I tried driving it, and still, and I put my foot in it.
No, there's no track. I spun, and I shouldn't spin. That was good. I look forward to seeing that footage. I have never been passed so fast in my life. So I'm like, I need to tree him, right? I got you on 3/10 on the tree.
Yeah, you did.
3/10 on the tree, and you still passed me.
Jared has proven to be the fastest car of the day today, running over 150 miles per hour.
Okay. Tell me what you think.
I think that was the best run of the day.
Mile an hour wise.
Think?
It's the last run of the day.
Yeah.
We had a little bit of help from our friends at St. Thomas Dragway.
Yeah.
Get some prep down, put us in the groove.
Put me more in the groove, put me on the slick side of the track. It still spun a little bit out there. I walked it out pretty slow.
You still have to drive the car. There's still a lot of tire spin. Not the best 60 foot of the day.
No.
So 156 to the 60.
Yeah.
620 to the 8th.
Okay. New PB. 942, 154. Or 152, sorry. Yeah, 156.60, because I was half throttle until like 100 feet up.
Was driving the car.
Spun a little bit, yeah, I was driving it. I'll take that all day long.
6th run ever on the new build.
Yeah. Hell yeah, and that's a new PB.
New PB. Mile an hour and ET.
Car's working.
It's a shame it's September.
Yeah, I know. All right, so overall, really good first day at the track. First shakedown day for this car. Like a month and a half ago, this thing was just a steel shell. And we set a new PB for mile an hour. We set a new PB for ET, all while fighting the track all day, having traction issues. So I think we got it done. Big thanks to everybody for helping out. Big thanks to Z for being so quick on the tunes and giving me a couple revisions to try. We found out that, yeah, we need more fuel pump. No big surprise there to go E85. So we're on the flex, running it around E60. Still a little boost limited, but hey, gives us something to work towards. Everything that we've done on this car has worked flawlessly, so I really can't complain about that. I mean, we had no mechanical issues all day. The car didn't do anything stupid, and I think the curse of this car is finally broken. All it took was completely rewiring it, a new PCM, new TCM, new transmission, new BCM, new this, new that, new car. The only thing original in this car anymore is the shell and the carpet, and I'm not even kidding. Anyways, guys, we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Thanks for coming along.